The creme brulee. What a most beautiful sight. France, England, and Spain all claim to be the country where creme brulee had its origin. The first printed recipe for a dessert called creme brulee is from the 1691 edition of the French cookbook La Cuisine Royale et Burgos by François Mazzelot, a cook at the Palace of Versailles. That version was a sweet custard of egg yolks and milk with a burnt sugar crust. It is similar to the modern versions.
The materials you will need for this dish are vanilla extract, vanilla sugar, heavy cream, water, brown sugar, and egg yolks.
So, what's the first step of making a creme brulee?
So the first step of making a creme brulee is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cameraman, why don't you do that?
Sure. So, what's the second step?
So the second step of the process is to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, as we do not need the egg white. When you have egg white inside of the custard, it causes protein clumping. We don't want it to have all the clumps of egg white, so that is why we're removing it. So in order to separate the egg white from the egg yolk, this is how you do it. First you want to crack the egg in just around in a circle, so when you open it up, you get the egg white and egg yolk perfectly on one half of it. You want to just start pouring the egg white out and juggling the egg yolk between the two different shells. At the end, all you're left with is one egg yolk. So now the next step is to whisk the eggs. Me personally, I prefer using chopsticks. You can use whatever method you want. So you want to just take it in and just start whisking it like that and whisk the egg yolks. So the next step of the process is to put sugar and vanilla extract inside of the egg yolk. So we need 4 tablespoons of sugar.
This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. You see how it's right on the brim? You don't want it to pile up on top. You just want it on a flat surface so that it's exactly 1 tablespoon. We're just gonna add that to the mixture. And then you're gonna do this 3 more times while stirring the mixture. 2, 3, 4. Now, we need to get the vanilla extract.
So the next step of the process is to mix the heavy cream into the mixture. But before then, we're gonna have to prep the heavy cream. So first, we're gonna pour 2.5 cups of heavy cream into our saucepan. And from there, we're gonna have to cook it until it boils, and then we're gonna mix it into the mixture. Once you pour it in there and mix it together, we're gonna let it cool and simmer for a while, and then we'll put it into the oven. We're gonna have it. Whoa!
So, this is 1 cup, which is also 8 OZ. And once you have 1 cup, you pour it into the bowl. Since we need 2.5 cups, we do that 1 more time. 2 cups.
So the next step is to pour the mixture into our cup. So let's first pour the saucepan mixture in. And now we mix it.